Hey guys, Girlvsgame and welcome. So look what I have for you today. Yes, we got a new mic. So let's do an unboxing, guys. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Welcome to better sound. You open it this way. A quick start guide. Oh, here it is, guys. Okay, so it's too small to like do 360. Okay. So here's the mic. USB-C to USB-C cable, and you just plug in the back here. And we have an adapter. Alright, we've moved to the computer, and so for sure we have an app that we have to download. So we went to Google and we went to Motive app, get software, download, put in your stuff. So I'm gonna do that quickly and process registration, and then you can download for Mac or Windows. But if you have Windows 10, make sure to download this one, because I have Windows 10 and I download this one and I'm like, why are you working? But yes, so download that and then you can install it, and it's pretty easy. Okay, so this is the Motive Mix app that you can get. So you can change their preferences for the theme in here. So you can have light, system, or dark, and dark is like the best option. So it automatically puts in your Shure MV7 Plus, so that's really good. And then I've also put in my Blue Yeti mic, so you can tell the difference in how much it picks up, like the condenser mic versus a dynamic mic, so it's quite severe. So to do options and stuff, you go down here to device settings, and you can check these all out now. So I have my gain to 14. Is a good option for me. It works pretty well. And then I have my compressor on heavy. You can change it to medium, light, or off. I just have it heavy. Works okay. Sounds okay. We have the limiter. It kinda. I don't really need it at this point in time, because like my audio levels aren't peaking at all. Like it's very, very quiet. Tone natural, or you can go dark, you can go bright, but I just like to keep it natural. Reverb is a cool looking thing, so you can make it do all sort of stuff and make it sound funny. And plate, what it sound like, and then hall, so you can make it intense or not, so it's really fun to do. And then we've got the denoiser. It works alright. I have my aircon on at the moment just to test it out, so we can see if we're getting any noise. And then I'll turn it off. and you can see that it's getting the aircon noise in the background, so have that on. No aircon noise, so it's really good. And the high pass filter, I haven't bothered to try that out yet, but it will do other background noises and stuff, so if you want to ruin your audio even more, no, it'll be fun. And then the LEDs, which is the fun part. So I just got mine on live, and the colors, like, I have it on purple, but on my mic it just looks blue, and the yellow, the light blue and like the green, like, are just like they're not lighting up at all. So it's, I don't know if the LEDs are working very well or it's just how they are. So that's all the settings, and what you need to do is also bring it into OBS, so I can show you here now. Alright, so now we're in OBS, and I have both my Blue Yeti and my Shure mic connected. I have turned off the aircon, so hopefully we can tell the difference between the audio. And you might be able to pick up that my dog's barking, so that'd be great. Because you can definitely hear it. Okay. I have the filters in, I have just the noise suppression. Oh my god. And then I have the compressor, just like the normal stuff that I usually have, the 21, 6, 264, and just like 10 decibels. So I just have all these people just talking at the moment, while I'm trying to record, so it's all great. And yeah, so I have the aircon off, so hopefully there's no other audio coming through. So this is what the Blue Yeti sounds like when I'm talking. It's a bit okay. It's pretty, like, it has a more deeper tone, I think. And then this is what it sounds like when the Shure mic is on and I'm talking and all that good stuff. So do a pop test. So please bring pizza, please. Please bring pizza, please. So it's pretty good. It's not, it doesn't filter it out properly, but there's no like pop mic on the Blue Yeti. So that's the difference between them both. So here it is all set up. Looking pretty good. Snazzy. Has a long enough cable so I can get it to my computer, so that's good. And it fit, and it matches nicely with my setup.